Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening for everyone. I've gotten this information or this video in the morning, in the afternoon, and also in the evenings. Well, for these times here, we would like to talk about the reading comprehensions, kinds of one of the skills in TOEFL. And in this part, the task will be given reading passages. Will be types of questions, reading comprehension questions. To ask your question, answer questions. To answer questions about the information given in the passage. And then the next is vocabulary question to ask you to identify the meanings of vocabulary. And these are the general strategies that would be familiar when we would like to learn about TOEFL. The first is be familiar with the direction. The second one, do not spend too much time reading the passages. If you read too much, of course, there will be problems, right? And also your time will be spent only on reading it, getting the keyword, right? And then the third, do not worry if you are reading passages on topic that you are unfamiliar with. Why? Because of information that you need to answer the question is included in the passage. You do not need any background knowledge to answer this question. The last, never leave any questions. From the first until the fourth general strategies, make sure that you are familiar enough, and then make sure you do not spend much time in the reading, and try not to be worried, and make sure you fill up all the answers. And next, we have the strategies for reading comprehension question. You need to skim. You need to skim reading, determine the main idea, and then look ahead the question to determine what type of question that you must answer. And then the third, find the section of passage that deal with each question. I mean, like the question, it is asking for the main idea, asking for directly or indirectly answer questions, or asking about vocabulary, or asking about where or who the question is going to be found. And that's number 4. Read the passage content answer carefully. So we have to be careful when you are going to read this one, because one sentence before or after there will be keyword or idea that you can get over there. And then choose the best to each question from 4 choices listed. Eliminate the wrong answers, and then mark your best answers. Now let's go to the skill 1. This is about the main idea. Main idea, of course, this is the heart of the topic. So you are going to be gotten the information by getting some tips here. For example, the passage basketball was invented. Ball was invented, blah, blah, blah. So if the question is, what is the main idea of the passage? Of course, the origin of the basketball. So you do not need to read all daily, but having skimming here, so of course you can get the right answers. Now let's go to this one. This is for the second example. Which of the following would be the best for the title of kalau konsep question seperti ini berarti in idea gitu. Map, North America continent, massive river, the mythical river, of course, do not exist. So the right answer is a non-existent river on maps. Non-existent rivers on maps. Now, go to the next. So this is about the main idea. Main idea. This is the main idea for you when you are going to have understanding, and there will be several questions as your guidance. If the question like this, so of course it is asking for the main idea. The first is, what is the topic of the passage? What is the subject of the passage? What is the main idea of the passage? What is the author's main point on the passage? What's the author primarily concerned? And then which of the following would be the best title? So if you got this question like this, so of course you are going to find the main idea, so you can recognize it. Where to find the answer? To answer this type question, generally determined by looking at the first sentence of each paragraph, generally. And then how to baca lagi first line-nya, look for the common theme ya, or the idea or the first lines, and then the third is pass eyes quickly over the rest of the passage to check that you really have found the topic sentence, and the fourth eliminate ya, kita eliminate the wrong answers. Now let's go to the exercise here, passage 1. The main idea of the passage is that when we got these questions, of course the right answer is the most of Earth's ice found in Antarctica. So most of ice on Earth, right? So this is in the Antarctica continent. And the best title, so the right answer this one. And then number 2, what is the best title? The best title, yeah, of course, the causes of Antarctica's ice pack. Yeah. The causes of Antarctica's aspect, bukan snowfall, bukan the ice or the cold or the snow. So the right one is the causes of Antarctica's aspect. After you have underlined or gotten the practice here, I think that you have known which one is the right, which one is for you when you are going to decide what are you looking for this question, because of you have known in identifying the question. Okay, now let's go to the skill 2. This is static detail question. Static detail question asks about one piece information in the passage rather than the passage whole. Berarti piece of, berarti yang ternyatakan, ternyatakan question tersebut, apa yang ada dalam teks tersebut. The answer to this question are generally given in order in the passage, and the correct answer is often restatement. What is given in the passage sudah nanti di order. Dan ini juga adalah restatements. Now let's go to the example here. Number 1, according to the passage, the oldest flutes. Nanya the oldest flute. Kita tarik nih keywordsnya the oldest flute-nya di sini. Ada apa dengan jawabannya? Was cut in them, bla bla bla. Nah ini ketemu di sini. Nah, bukan were made tapi 20 years old ya. Were made 200, ini salah, kurang kebanyakan nolnya. Nah, nanti the right one is had holes cut in them. And then number 2, this is about James giveaway. Nah, in order maksudnya apa? Ketika sudah di sini jawabannya di atas ini, nanti bisa turun ke bawah tuh di sini nanti. Nah, turun ke bawah di sini inilah, makanya urut. Jadi nomor 1 di atas, nomor 2 pasti ke bawahnya. Bukan kalau ini ditemukan nomor 3, nomor 4-nya pasti ke bawah. Ya. Dengan cari-cari nomor 4 ya. The basis indicates James giveaway flute is made of gold ya. Is made of gold. Jadi ternyatakan. Makanya di sini katanya adalah stated detail questions. Now let's go to this one. The article here. How to identify the question. So recognize, like I first recognize, or you can remember the question it is asking for stated or main idea. According to the passage, according to the passage, nah ini yang nanya yang stating the question. And it is stated, the passage indicates the author mentions that and which is following is true. Nah ini semua pertanyaan ini ditujukan untuk pertanyaan yang stated detail question. Makanya cara menemukan pertanyaan adalah question found in order the passage. Jadi in order, urut. Kalau nomor 1 atas, bawah-bawah, jangan tidak lengkap, naik turun enggak. Nah, how to answer the question, choose the keywordnya. So you can find the keyword. Question, asking this one, naik ke atas, ini ketemu. Nah, skim the appropriate of the passage for the keyword. And then read the sentence, contain the keyword, look for the restate idea, cari yang restate-nya juga. Kali aja ditemukan bukan yang sama katanya, tapi dengan bahasa yang lain, tapi makna yang sama. Yang kelima, eliminate definitely wrong answers. Eliminate definitely wrong answer, like the general information before. Now let's go to the exercise 2 passage 1. Questions 1 to 2 Okay, number 1, based on this question, maybe you can get the information with which of the following is mentioned in the passage as a way that Colorado River water gets to the southwest? So the right answer is through canal. Dari sini udah ketemu. Oh, miles of canals, 100 miles to nose ya kan, through canals here. And then yang kedua, according to the passage, nah Imperial Valley, dari sini kita naik ke atas. Imperial Valley-nya ada di mana nih? The Imperial Valley ini. Nah, udah ketemu di sini, baru pelan-pelan nih bacanya. Nah, dari sini udah ketemu. So the right answer is produce a lot of agricultural. Ya, agricultural. Ya, berarti agricultural. Okay, I think this is the best way when you have stated detailed question by memorizing or by recognizing or understanding, remembering the type of the question to decide it is a main idea or it is a stated detail. Okay, let's continue to the skill 3. This is unstated detailed question. Yeah, unstated detailed question. So of course, this reading comprehension, TOEFL test find the answer is not stated or not mentioned or not true. Yeah, remember, not stated, not mentioned or not true in this passage. Question really means that 3 of the answers are stated. Yeah, jadi 3 of question are stated, while the one answer is not. So actual job is to find the correct answers, then choose the letter or one of the meaning remaining. And you should note there are 2 kinds of answer type of question. There are true answers and one answer that is not discussed species, and there are 3 true answers. One is false. Bahasa not discussed, sama yang satunya yang false. Okay, let's analyze these examples ya. Related but not mentioned about the Florida Keys. Yang not mentioned about Florida Keys apa? Kiwinya udah ketemu. Kita masuk ke sini. Florida Keys, bla 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 bla. Berarti the right answer for this one is ada informasi ya, chain of island and limestone. So the right one is this one ya, not mentioned adalah yang kalau yang nomor 2, which of not true ya, about US Highway 1. It is also known as the overseas highway. More than ini udah tersampaikan ya. Porty Bridge ya, it has more than not true. The following is true. Highway 1. And then it connects Miami Keys ya. Joins all the island in the Florida. The right one is the Bravo ya. Joins all of the island in the Florida Keys. Okay, after you have after you have gotten this one, remember kalau ada konsep seperti ini ada 3 yang sesuai dengan ini dan ada 3 yang dianggapnya benar. Ya. Kan untuk bisa difahami lagi, then you will get this information of book or this module on your Spada letter. Now let's go to the unstated detailed question. What are the question like? To identify this one, so to recognize this, which of the following is not stated? Which of the following is not stated, and which of the following is not mentioned, and which of following is not discussed. And all the answer are true except. Nah ini enaknya ada kalau ada kata except. Biasanya ada kata not itu biasa masuk kategori unstated detail. Remember kalau unstated detail kita cari yang tidak tersampaikan di dalam teks ya. Pola jawabannya sama, masih urut ya. Terus the keyword, question dari terus kita scan gitu ya. Kalau tadi scheme ya di stated ya, kita scan sekarang di sini that contains the keyword idea carefully. Remember to eliminate those answers ya. Eliminate those answers that is true ya according to the passage. Ini udah benar kamu yang nggak didiskusikan atau tidak benar ya. Now let's go to the example here. Exercise 3 ya. Question 1 to 2. Now let's go to the number 1. You get it? What's the right answers? Which of the following is not true about systolic blood pressure? Ya. Systolic blood pressure berarti it is taken is usually normal or hypertension. Yes, the right answer is hypertension axis ya when the systolic pressure is below 100 40. Where is the information? Hypertension, axis, right? Next, let's go to the number 2. Which of the following is not stated, ya, yang tidak ternyatakan about diastolic pressure, ya, yang tidak kan diastolic pressure. Kita cari diastolic pressure-nya di mana? Oke, systolic and diastolic pressure. Diastolic pressure is taken hard, it is usually blood reading and the systolic measures, ya. Given blood pressure, ini systolic pressure, and systolic pressure. Yang tidak tersampaikan mana? So the right answers for number 2 is delta, diastolic measurement of 150 normal. Padahal di sini kalau antara 140 sampai 60 masih hipertension, tapi ini disampaikan normal. So ini is not true or it is not stated. Okay, after you have gotten these informations about unstated detailed questions, I would like to ask you to memorize or remember in order to get recognizing this unstated question. There will be of following is stated, which of following is not stated, and which of following is not mentioned, and which of the following is not discussed. Then all of the following are true except blah 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 blah. So I think that you can practice more, by finishing the exercise in this time, and make sure to finish your practicing. Remember, reading is kinds of your what we call that practicing. The more you practice for exercising your reading, the more you get the way you understand the concept. I think now for the first video here, let's continue to the next video.